It's a real story, but the names are not mentioned in the story. Now, this thing is so goddamn messed up. In the heart of Kingston, a 61-year-old man named Mr. Brown, which I told you before, I'm not using their real names, they found him usual spot with him brethren them. So them gather at a little bar where them love hang out, but this particular night, and them usually hang out there and play domino. This particular night, things start to take a different turn. One of my friend Jahmille fall for the young thing at the bar, and the whole night, him and the girl attack. So while them a play, Jahmille disappear, and the rest of the crew start wonder if him alright. So, and after a while, the young bartender put her sister in charge to hold the bar, and one of the man get a chance now to go talk to the sister, because him and I the sister in the meantime while Jahmille was trying to talk to the sister who was a real bartender. So this other man now glad to see the girl up at the bar, the sister. So him take a little risk and ask the sister for her number. And she take the phone, the man's phone, and put her number in the, and beside the number she write SEXY in a him phone. And him laugh, thinking it a joke. Then now, him give her him name, which whatever him name was, I'm going to say Mr. Brown, because that's what I'm calling him. So the girl start call him up. But him kinda careless with him phone. You know how some men stay. A few times, him wife, Miss Brown, answer the phone, and the girl asks for him. When the girl says she is him niece, Miss Brown couldn't believe. She know all her family, cause them they together long enough for she know the whole family. And this girl sound fishy. When she asked the girl when she last see him, the girl said long time, and Miss Brown knows something no sound right about that. So days pass, and the man no even realize how deep the trouble get. Jahmille, who love chat, you know them chatty city sissy man, chat out of the blue and tell Miss Brown about the girl who await for Mr. Brown. Him say she there Ocho Rios, and that set off alarm bell in a Miss Brown head. She decide to go see the truth for herself. But after him start text and call, you know, them arrange for them meet at Ocho Rios. So the Saturday come, and both the wife and the young girl end up at the same place in Ocho Rios, because now Jahmille and friend, and Jahmille know all I move them, and Jahmille was able to tell the woman exactly where I go. When the girl see Miss Brown, she panic set in, and she try to lie. But the more she chat, the more she expose herself. The husband watch in disbelief, because he was caught between two worlds. Him could have never believed say him go so far, leave all the way from Kingston, and the wife would find him at Ocho Rios. Miss Brown turned to Mr. Brown with rage in her eyes and said, "You think me a fool?" She never expect to track him down. He never expects she should have track him down. But the night take a turn that changed everything. Mr. Brown realized him friend Jahmille mess up the whole situation. The wife start cuss the young girl, calling her all kind of names, saying she's a PROSTITUTE. The girl, feeling embarrassed and scared, she run away, leaving Mr. Brown to deal with the mess. Him wonder how him life come to this, and now the devil left him now, and he must start wonder, how come me get myself in this trouble, because I never get myself in this type of trouble before, not since we get married anyway. As the night drew close, Miss Brown, heart heavy with shame and betrayal, couldn't bear the disgrace. Word spread like wildfire round the community, people whispering and laughing behind them back, pointing fingers at the couple. Miss Brown felt like she a walk round with a big sign on her forehead. It was too much for her. With tears in her eyes, she packed up the children and left the house, taking only the essentials. She no can no furniture, nothing. "Me can't stay here," she told Mr. Brown, her voice steady but filled with hurt. "The shame too much. You disgrace me in front of the whole world." The children watched in confusion as the familiar home turned into a place of pain. Miss Brown made the hard decision to file for divorce, seeking a fresh start away from the whisper and the shame. Mr. Brown sat down, realizing the full weight of his action, while he tried to salvage what was left. He knew the trust that once held them strong now lay in ruins. In the quiet aftermath, he pondered how one night of folly could ruin a lifetime of love, and how the echo of laughter would haunt him long after she walked out. And this is what them call, say, when the devil left you after everything. The woman just couldn't take the situation again, because them live in a one tight net. They live in a place that you would call a tenement yard. And you know how many people live in a tenement yard, and everybody know everybody, and everybody know everybody business. The woman couldn't go out of the gate without seeing two people stand up and whisper, and that's why she had to leave. The woman leave and go back a country, and take her picnic them and go back a country. And so far, the man is trying to reconcile with her, but she refused to do so. We don't know what's going to happen in the future, but right now, them still apart. This woman still live in a country, and him live at Kingston. You know, bother with the bartender's sister anymore. But, you know, that's how life is. Anyway, guys, if you like this story, just like the channel, subscribe, and share. And I will see you back here on the next story.